Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, wait. On today's video, I just want to say happy Ramadan for all of us, especially for Muslim. I'm Muslim, by the way. I'm from Indonesia, and then happy Ramadan. We are in the gate of Ramadan, and today's date is uh 26th of February, and Ramadan, inshallah, will be held at the first day of Ramadan is 28th February. So in the next 2 days, held we will face the holy month that every Muslim should be happy. Every Muslim should be prepare for it. Ramadan in the next 2 days. So happy Ramadan, guys, and may Allah grant us for ease ease in the future, especially for this Ramadan. And that's it on this simple video. Okay, thank you for watching. Happy Ramadan once again. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.